welcome back. What a quiet and nice place. And look at the sky, it is very cloudy. It is going to rain. And my favorite animal loves rain. When the rain stops, it says ribbit, ribbit. What is it? Yeah, it is frog and toad. Frog and toad are amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded. Amphibians mean they live in water and on land. So first they live on water and come to land to breathe air. And so amphibians can control their body. When it is too cool, they come to the land to hot themselves. And when it is too hot, they come to the water to cool themselves. There are different types of frogs and different colors. Some frogs are very poison, like the red poison dart frog. And the Panamanian golden frog is the smallest frog. And the largest frog is the African Goliath frog. It can even fit in a dinner plate. But don't think them for supper. Frogs and toads look alike, but when we look closer, they have a little difference between them. Frogs have very slimy skin because they have a very thick layer of mucus on their body. Why? From dry out from sunburn, just like hippo. And they always stay close to water. But toads have very bumpy and dry skin. They can live in dry woods, and some of the toads could live in deserts. Frogs have very sticky and peppery toes. They have them to swim because they always stand close to ponds. Frogs have very long back legs, so they can be greatest jumpers in the world. They can jump very far. But toads have short back legs. That means they can only jump short as a frog. So now I'm going to tell you the color. Frogs are brighter and light color, like light green, but dogs are brown and darker green. And frogs could camouflage with light green. If they stick to the grass, they could camouflage, and no predators could see them. And frogs are darker brown. If they stick to trees, they could camouflage, and no predators could see them. Very interesting part about frogs and toads. Their life cycle. Frogs and toads' eggs don't have any shells on them. They are like jelly on mat. Their eggs are in underwater. Not all eggs are underwater. Some eggs are going to be in laying leaves. Like the red-eyed tree frog lay some eggs in trees. So in another few weeks, the eggs will start hatch and tadpoles will come out. They will have little gills and they will be like little fishes. In another few weeks, they will have long front legs, but still they have the remaining tail. In another few weeks, they will have two black legs, but they still have the remaining tail. In another few weeks, they will grow a little bit like a little frog, and another few weeks it will grow big and into a frog and come out of the pond and breathe out to land. But what are the frogs' predators? Frogs' predators are raccoons, snakes, eagles, lot of predators for them. That only frogs could live 4 to 15 years, so quickly getting died. So what are frogs' food? Frogs' food are insects. They eat every insect, spiders, grasshoppers, any insect or small fish that fit into their mouth. But a lot of frogs are in danger. They're getting killed because frog and toad spawns are getting destroyed. People are putting nets on them, building buildings, and human activities. Humans put waste on the water and no frogs or toads could live on them. And frogs are very important for the insect pollution. There is lot of insect pollution in India population. So insect population. In India there are lot of grasshoppers destroying fields. So frogs are very important. It is our job to keep the ecosystem clean. So environment clean and the ecosystem clean. So bye. This me.